So again, good morning. So our lesson for today is crayon etching. So any idea what is crayon etching? Meron po bang idea? Hello. So, wala po tayong masyadong idea. So, crayon etching, a drawing made with crayons where a heavy coat of black wash is applied. An etching tool is used to create patterns in the ink, removing the ink and allowing the crayon colors to appear. So, meron po ba kayong mga nabibili na, for example, mga prize sa games? Yung mga black na paper, and then kapag in-scratch mo siya ng pencil or ng stick is may color underneath. Familiar po ba sa ganon? Or not? Yes? Okay. So today, kindly prepare your papers, your crayons, and if you have a toothpick po or a stick, sige, request po kay mommy or kay daddy ng toothpick or ng stick. So, this will be your activity. So, first step, kailangan nyo pong mag-color. Kahit random colors lang, pero, mahina. Ayan. So, kahit random colors lang, but prefer ni teacher na rainbow na lang po para mas madalian kayo. Buong paper, kailangan buong paper ha. Buong paper, fill nyo siya with colors. Nakikets po. And then,
Fill po ng color.
yes po, fill po ng colors yung buong paper. And then after that, papatungan natin siya ng black na crayon. Buong paper din. Nakikita po yung picture, nakikita yung screen. Ganyan po yung gagawin natin, okay? And then, kapag finish na, wag po muna tayong mag-drawing. Let's wait for the others to finish, and then kapag finish na lahat, sabihin po kay teacher, okay? O, sige po, you may start na.